Hi everyone, my name is Piterpakulski. Today we'll continue building financial model for a manufacturing business idea. I hope you enjoy this video. You may give us a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. You can also order financial models from scratch for your unique business ideas. We can help you with that. At the end screen of this video I'll be sharing the link to the playlist where all these tutorials will be placed. And when the whole financial model will be ready, I will be placing the links on creation, how I created this model from scratch, in the description of this video as well. So you may watch video by video, tutorial by tutorial. So during previous videos we were specifying, so we were assuming that we have product A, product B, we can name it, we can switch them on and off from calculations. We were specifying the speed with which production line produces product A and product B, so how many units per hour is being produced. So we are adding coefficient to make us be able to play with this parameter during scenario analysis to see what will be the simple discounted payback period if we increase or decrease productivity of our factory. So then we assume that we have two lines. We can switch them on and off from calculations to see the cash flow statement with or without this or that production line. Then we assume that we need to allocate the time between product A and product B when we produce these products on line 1 and on line 2. Then we specified when we start operating activity, when we start manufacturing our products. Then we started working with shifts, so we assume that each of our lines we may switch on and off each shift, so maximum we can have 3 shifts per day. And here we specified, so the first shift appears on the first month of operating activity, it is March 2023. If the second shift appears on the 18th month of operating activity, it is August 24, so we can easily displace it, place it earlier or further inside the timeline. So these are the shifts and their appearance for the first line, and these are the shifts, their switchers, and when they appeared for the line number 2. But what we will be doing today, we will focus on time, because we need to calculate the amount of hours, because here we have the speed of production that are nominated in units per hour. So we need to calculate the amount of hours monthly. Then we will be able to allocate these monthly hours between products, and then we will create the production plan. So we will be moving from the small parameter to the big numbers. So here we have we ended with shifts per day per line. But here we will need to add some switchers, so we are taking these values in brackets and multiply it on this switcher. So if we would like to switch off line number 1, we can easily do that. And the same exercise we are doing for the line number 2. Now we are extrapolating these formulas to the right. So now we're done with these formulas.
For example, if I want to switch off
switch off the second line. I can easily do that here, and I will see zeros here. Or for example, for line 1 I would like to, so here we have shift number 3, but I would like to take maximum only 2 shifts. So I will place here off, and I will see only 2 shifts available. So we can go here and check, we see that we have only 2 shifts. So now let's put the data back. Let's put the data back. Then we're going to introduce two very important parameters. So shift duration. This will be nominated in hours. So let's say we have 8 hours in a shift, and this will be the input. So I'm coloring this with our specific color, which goes with all our inputs. So this is the color for inputs. These are the inputs, these are the inputs. So we are making the rule that we are using this color only with inputs to make us easily be able to find the inputs during scenario modeling. Then what we will do next, we need to specify the amount of working days, the work days inside each month. So work days per month. So this will be a new table of inputs. This will be January. This will be January. So this is the typical year. So this will be parameter. The work days per month. So let's assume we will have 22 work days per month. So this will be the input, so I'm coloring it with blue as well. Now what I will do, I will create a new timeline. This will be here, work days. Per month. So this will be line 1 and line 2. Oh, let's do it another way. First of all, let's extrapolate it. So we may have some seasonality in that, so we are doing like this, and then we are extrapolating this formula to the right. And now we will be calculating the working hours per month. So this will be working hours per line per month. So how I will be calculating that? So here I have, from this table I will be placing the amount of days, then I will be multiplying the duration of the shift. I will be completely freezing the cell, and then I will be multiplying on amount of shifts. So here I'm not freezing anything. So we have one shift, then we multiply how many shifts per day we have, and then we multiply on how many work days we have per month. Then I press enter, then I'm extrapolating this formula to the bottom, and then I'm extrapolating this formula to the right. So here we have the amount of working hours monthly, and we can, for example, we can do anything. So for example, we can switch off line number 2. We can see,
or for example, we can
switch it on.
But we can switch off 2 shifts from shift line number 2. We can make it work only 1 shift.
So here we can see, so we are working only 1 shift per day. And what we can do now, we can calculate the production plan. So we have we can copy this table.
Oh no, my friends. So first of all, we need to allocate the time. So we've calculated the time. The topic of our next video will be creating of production plan. So give us a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. You can also order financial models from scratch for your unique business ideas. We can help you with that. At the end screen of this video, I will be giving the link to the playlist where I'll be placing all these tutorials. And when this model will be ready, I will be placing the tutorial links in the description of this video as well. So thank you guys for watching. See you next videos. Thank you and bye.